Hi, everyone. Happy Halloween for those that celebrate Halloween. I hope your day is fun and safe. Welcome back to the Pinterest Inspiration Collaboration hosted by Kimber's Creation. I want to say thank you all so much for coming every last Saturday of the month and hanging out with me for a few minutes and leaving comments. And also thank you to all of the participants, the collaborators that's in the collaboration. Unfortunately, this is our last month for the Pinterest Inspiration Collaboration. Maybe next year or maybe in the next couple of months or something, someone will host it and I might join. I doubt it because my plate is running over. So this is the last Pinterest inspiration collaboration. Now I always do Pinterest inspired creations. I'll just start it. If I actually follow something, I'll plop it in the description box as well, or I'll say where I got it from. But since it's Halloween, I decided to do something really fun and quick. Nothing too mind blowing or stressful. I make this card. I took inspiration from the card that I saw. I really, really liked that card, but I didn't have any of the paper, and she was too lazy to cut out a circle. Oh, wow. Yep. So anyway, I made this card. This paper is from Michael's Recollection. I think it's Spooky Hill. These are little treat things, I guess. I don't know, from a pack of random assorted scared. I've had it for a while. These little gems are from Crafter's Companion. I thought that would be cute on there. And this, I don't know where it's from. It's probably from an older brand of something, but they look like this. And I just turned it, put it on here. And then on the inside, I turned one inside out and put this little purple bat. So that is my collaboration for the month. I hope that you have a safe October 31st, safe Halloween. And I hope to see you again real soon. Until next time, happy crafting.